Everybody, hey, this girl, I need some. Everybody, everybody wants a little something. Everybody wants a place to be. Open up your lovely distant window. Yeah. Bring your light and bring to me. Wait. Only time will tell. That's all I'm gonna give you guys right now. This is one of the new songs. Yeah, this is Ross Neville and the Kingstonians. I'm gonna go do some Uber now. That we just played for you a while ago, you know. But right now I'm gonna get around to do some Uber, and I'm gonna tell you about these people I have in the car. It's a couple, and they are happy that school is out, and they're going out and having fun. I'm having a great conversation with them about life and music and their personalities, and we rock. This is how we roll. Everybody. Yeah, time will tell. To do, you know, sometimes I feel like I'm a therapist. I don't know. It's just really how people treat the ideal of Uber and what we do and what I do and the personality of what I am to them. So it's very interesting. So let me go this way, because you can't go straight across. It is I'll see this time people comment once they enter the car. So here we go with the air freshener spray and all that good stuff. We're here with one of the most popular dorms in the University of Kansas, Ellsworth. Because there's a surge, so no one wants to get in the car when there's a surge. Eventually somebody, and so I got paid just a regular pay for the ride, because they canceled. They don't want to be paying, you know, these are college kids. They don't want to be paying over $20 for one ride to take them halfway off the block. Playing Russian roulette. So good. This is good. Oh my God. Oh my, yeah. And it looks really good, like so. Let me see if I'm gonna be in any luck today.
Let's hope.
Oh my God, I look like I'm gonna be good. Maybe good.
Oh,
this is a good time.
Oh, good luck, good luck.
Yeah, this is a good time. Oh, it's a little bit past that peak hour season, but usually it goes from about like 5 until about like 9 o'clock.
Oh wow.
When most of the accidents happen right here.
Yeah, I bet.
Especially on a weekend day. This is Usher, that produces a group from, I think they're from somewhere in Asia.
Oh, really?
Yeah. This is a song though that they did over from the 70s. It's a 70s beat. and the whole entire style and the arrangement of the song.
Cool.
Yeah. When they redid it, pretty cool.
Gotta go.
And a lot of 70s artists were into this thing. They call it syncopate.
Okay.
Yeah, right in here. Syncopate. Just mix it up. They were really good at that stuff. Today's artists don't do that. They don't do that. Can you hear Asher now singing?
Oh, cool.
Yeah, I'm a vocalist, vocal coach, producing all kinds of music, and I work for the federal government, by the way. Though I went to KU back in the day, and my degree in social work from this university.
This bag is a game changer.
My daughter also went to this university.
It unfolds to like a shipping bag. You load up all your fancy stuff.
LA.
You sort of melt it down, and then it's
When I came here from Jamaica, I decided this is where I'm going to grow up, and I've been here ever since.
When did you come here?
In the late 80s, put down big old concrete blocks.
Yeah.
It's one of those weird corners. I don't know why. People just run across right into the people's house.
Wow.
It's happened 2 times. I said, man, this is weird. This is weird. That's some weird energy going on.
Yeah, that is.
And so the city put up these 2 big old, heavy-duty highway concrete, what do you call it? Barriers.
Wow.
So that nobody runs into their house, they run into those barriers.
That's crazy.
I know. Well, today is the day everybody's just chillaxing.
Yes, yeah.
This is the time to come get it for you. Downtown, downtown.
yeah, dude. It's fucking pipes.
Now I've been doing this a long time. So kind of got a lot of voice control and breath control. And I have my band too. I have a band that I've seen with for.
Oh, really?
Yeah. We started way back in the day. And I first got here. He said, oh my God, what kind of music are you playing on the piano? And I said, it's Jamaica music, man. Yeah, man, let me not tell them. Everybody was just... We have to stop it now. Let's see what's up.